Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video ay panibagong soup na naman ang ating iluluto. So ito ang ating mga ingredients guys. May 6 tayong ingredients at ito ay figs, dried lily bulbs, chestnuts, sweet and bitter almond, cashew nuts, and hoisin. So, madali lang ang preparation ng ating soup for today. So, hugas-hugas lang tayo. So, ayan, hugasan natin ang chestnuts. Siyempre, binili ko na to na walang balat. So, huhugasan ko na lang siya. Mahirap kasi ito balatan guys. Kailangan pang ilaga and then balatan isa-isa. So, ang next natin ay dried lily bulb. Masarap din to guys. Yung parang lasang potato pagkatapos maluto. At syempre ang cashew nuts. Kailangan din nating hugasan kasi minsan may insects dyan sa loob. And dried figs. So, hugasan lang natin to, then i-cut natin ng half. Hoisin. So, ayan, puro hugas lang tayo guys. Walang karne ito. So, napakadaling i-prepare. Kung may mga stocks kayo dyan sa ref, yan lang luto nyo, pwede na. And sweet and bitter almonds. So yan, kumukulo na guys yung ating soup. So ilagay na natin yung chestnut, cashew nuts, lily bulb, figs, sweet and bitter almond, at hoisin. So yan guys, at syempre ilalagyan din natin ng konting salt. And konting trivia ulit guys, this soup removes heat in the body, strengthens the kidneys, spleen, and QI, tonifies the lungs, alleviates fainting, and remove dampness in the body. By removing heat in the body and heart, this soup is good for those with frequent urination, those suffering from mouth ulcer, and those staying up late at nights. So ayan guys, madami ding mga benefits itong soup na to. So ayan, kumukulo-kulo na guys. So mukhang masarap na naman to. So, ayan, tapos nang naluto. So, lagay na natin sa bowl. Yan, very nutritious soup. So, ayan, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.